father came, he was born in the Muzaffarabad side of it, not exactly in Pakistan, which is the other side of the Kashmir. In 1997, he came on the...
We mentioned that he came on a Pakistani passport. Was any visa granted at the border?
There is a judgment that once you overstay the visa given, then
My lord, if I'm a
there is a
Pakistani,
five-judge bench judgment. But I don't wish to go. Dear lordships can rely upon. This may not become a precedent.
In system, the
Dear lordships may not say that. That's all I'm saying.
Then we will be sent to Pakistan.
Passover. Having led by the London Solicitor General. Having led by the London Solicitor General. Item 45.
no, we have not issued any notice so far.
My lords, this is a habeas corpus matter. It's a shocking matter where, my lords, the
It's
petitioners
a sensitive issue. That's why the London Solicitor.
We are citizens of India and we have valid Indian passports. Yet in a shocking manner, we are issued notices telling us to leave India within 2 days. Now we are being held at the border, my lords, and we are almost being thrown out of the country. We are Indian citizens having Indian passport. I have produced the copy. I have Indian Aadhaar card, voter card, ID, everything. I am, before your lordships, my lords, praying for indulgence under Article 32. Kindly protect our liberty and life. My entire family taken in a jeep, my lords, to Wagah border and at the threshold of being thrown out of the country, even though we are Indian nationals. There are 6 petitioners. Petitioner 1 and 6 are the sons who are in Bangalore and working in different companies in Bangalore. Petitioner 2 is the father, 3 is the mother, and 4 is the sister, and 5 is another brother. They are all in Srinagar. We have ancestral property in Srinagar also. We all have valid passports issued by the Home Ministry, and I have produced that as annexures along with the writ petition, my lords. Aadhaar card has been issued by Government of India. Voter election ID card has been issued. PAN card also we have got, and I have produced all copies of all of them.
So how
In
did he
spite
come
of
to
this-
India, first of all, you tell us?
Please, my lords.
How did he petition number 1 came to India? How did he petition number 1 came to India?
Petitioner number 1, my lords, I am told that he came to India in the year 1997.
You have said in para 1. We hope you will spare some time for yourself to read para 1 of the facts. There you have said so that he came in 1987. He was born in Mirpur in Pakistan. So we want to know that how did he come to India?
Yes, my lords. My lords, I am told that he came to India in the year 1987. 1987,
Dr.
he had been in
that you have mentioned, that we have read it.
Yes.
That you have said so, but how did you come? That is the question we are asking.
Yeah, my lords, may I consult with my client who is with me here?
These are basic things you should have please mentioned in the petition.
I'm sorry.
He came by the Indian passport, Pakistan passport. In
Meanwhile, you can argue. We will shift to you also. We will hear both of you.
My lords, he has said, my lords, he says he has surrendered his passport at the border and he came into India at that time.
No. At the border, which country issued the passport at the border?
Come this way.
Don't make fanciful statements which will further trap you.
Yeah, I bowed down.
Be frank.
I'm sorry, I should have revealed these details. I should have mentioned these details also.
My lords, my father came, he was born in the Muzaffarabad side of it, not exactly in Pakistan, which is the other side of the Kashmir. In 1997, he came on the Pakistani passport because he was required to travel on that passport from that side to this side of the Srinagar, Kashmir. And when he arrived.
So therefore, these facts should be mentioned that he came on a Pakistani passport. Was any visa granted at the border?
Visa was granted on the other side. Yes, that is correct. When he arrived here in Srinagar, he had submitted his passport in the High Court. Surrendered his passport.
That is the whole problem. Now, all the contradictory averments are made. Dr. Nandkishore, you want us to read the entire paper? You have drafted the petition. Who have drafted?
No. My colleague has drafted with my instructions, but my humble submission is this, my lords. Admittedly, there is no enquiry against the revocation of my passport. There is a passport issued to me by Government of India. They have not revoked it. My only humble submission
Why
is...
have you not gone to High Court?
My lords, it was imminent. It was imminent.
Officer, the only authority who is in a position to verify and ascertain the correct facts. He is located in Srinagar. There is a high court in Srinagar. You are only asking for relief against the authorities primarily who are located in Srinagar. The other fellows who are similarly placed have gone to the High Court. The High Court, as we read in the newspaper and we pointed out yesterday, has granted some relief to some of the persons. We don't know the nature of the order, but they have been able to get some relief there. So what prevented you to going there?
My lords, my humble
Approach
submission.
the authorities.
Petitioners
That
1
would
and
be a
6.
better
my
way,
lords,
my lord.
Petitioners 1 and 6 are both
All right.
placed in Bangalore working here. Their entire family was arrested in Srinagar and taken
All
to the
right,
border.
all right, just wait. I think we directly have to do that. Mr. Solicitor General,
Let him approach the authorities. I'm saying, my lord, with instruction.
these are all,
My lord, I'm saying with instruction, let him approach the authorities.
say, the petition.
Because otherwise, my lord, I don't wish to raise issues whether there is a judgment that once you overstay the visa given, then
My lord, if I'm a
there is a
Pakistani,
five-judge
I may be
bench
thrown
judgment,
out.
but I
I'm an
don't wish to go
Indian
into.
national. I'm an Indian national with an Indian passport. They're
Dr.
just throwing me
Anand
out.
You're not a citizen, you are,
I'm an Indian citizen. I have made the statement on
It's
oath.
all
I have
right.
produced my Indian passport, my
please-
lords.
Would you like to please stop for a minute?
Yes.
There are some,
let them approach, my lord, I'm saying it with,
beside human element, there is some
No, there are-
documentation and all these need to be verified.
it needs, my lord, let them approach the authorities. Aspect, my lord. It is their case also that they entered with the visa was for a duration and they overstayed it. So it's, they are not
That's
under
it.
cancellation.
That's right. No.
Lord, we admittedly have Indian passports issued by the respondent government of India.
My lord, your lordships can rely upon. This may not become a precedent.
Till such time,
Your lordships may not say that. That's all I'm saying.
So then we will be sent to Pakistan.
then they will,
But I'm here. Therefore, I'm saying, my lord, that let that not become a precedent everywhere.
we will say that it will not be treated as a precedent.
Yes, if they don't make mistake in the order,
Even
my
with
lords, it will not be a
that, my lord,
precedent.
it becomes a precedent. But
But then otherwise.
I'll take
it will-
care. I'll take care.
It will otherwise remain uncertainty because children are in Bangalore also and then it may create.
I can
We
always.
can only say that in the peculiar facts and circumstances in this case, the authorities may not deport the petitioners,
Not take any coercive steps here.
may not take any coercive action till an appropriate decision.
And also release from custody, my lords.
We have said coercive, no coercive action, till an appropriate decision is taken. Next paragraph.
Not to be
However,
treated
if
as a
the
precedent.
petitioners are dissatisfied with the final decision,